I did A-levels before I came onto my apprenticeship, and I think if I could go back now, I would go straight from school.
I wanted to actually be hands-on, working on the stuff that I was learning.
I'd definitely say the apprenticeship has massively built my confidence, life skills as well.
Because I'm given more responsibility, treated more maturely, and I feel more listened to, as opposed to a school environment like university.
The best thing about being an apprentice is you're earning while you're learning.
It's having the money for driving lessons, for my insurance, for my car, being able to get to work on time.
Experiences that were given to me in my apprenticeship allowed me to step out of my comfort zone, and that's where I was truly allowed to grow.
Personally, it's really helped me with many skills, working in a fast-paced environment. It's given me the confidence with time management.
My apprenticeship's definitely given me the ability to meet new people.
I would say the biggest impact is the improvement in my decision-making skills. I feel like I've definitely grown as a person.
It's not just being dropped into the work world, it's a case of, they understand that you don't know everything. You can then work your way up and gain more confidence. That's something I lacked.
Very employable then, with the experience under my belt and the qualifications that I'll have.
Every single thing that I've learned has been useful, and the people I've met have helped me along the way.
I'd really recommend doing an apprenticeship. Just getting real working experience on the job is amazing, and I haven't looked back.
If you're thinking of doing an apprenticeship, I would definitely have a look into it. It's the best thing that I've ever done.